Good morning.
Good morning from Pai Thailand.
I'm April, this is Tim. We're travelling the world and sharing our journey along the way.
Subscribe to our channel if you want to come with us.
We have another scooter today. So we just got into Pai last night. The sun is shining.
Sun's come out. There was an awesome lightning storm last night.
Yeah.
It was really cool. So that was a nice introduction to Pai.
Yeah, but there was no rain though. So it was just like lightning and thunder. It was really quite cool.
So Pai's got a lot of natural attractions around it. There's some waterfalls, there's a canyon. So we're gonna go have a look today and it's perfect weather for it.
I think those boys are like 10, maybe 12, and they all rocked up on scooters. So I don't know what the driving age is here. But one of their scooters fell over and I could see just a domino effect happening. So Tim is currently moving the scooter.
Right, that's a bit better.
This waterfall is seriously only like 10 minutes out of the centre of Pai. We got here so quickly. Love having a scooter. It's like our new favourite thing. It's so much fun.
The other thing as well is it's so cheap. So we hired that for 200 baht for 24 hours, which is the price of like 4 coffees. It's just bizarre how cheap they are.
I read about this place. It's the slippery dip
It
waterfall.
is, isn't it?
Awesome! Have my bathers on. I didn't know this was the first place with all the kids. I'm so going for a slide. It's a slippery dip naturally occurring on the rock. Just watching these kids go down at the slippery dip and it looks so much fun. They're going down the rock and it's just like a slippery dip. I don't have a go. Slippery and the water just like moves you. I am too chicken to do the big one. I did the little one, I hurt my toe. Like you watch the kids go down, you're like, oh surely they're like pushing themselves down the water slide. No, you have no control. It's like you are in the mercy of the water. We're back in Pai and we had some lunch. I've been enjoying this thing called pineapple rice. It's like curry rice, pineapple and egg. Didn't film it because I was too hungry. Looking forward to it, just ate it all up. Now we have these little mocha frappes that we get them to put a banana in there. They're so good, very refreshing. And then I think probably can lose the rain jackets that we've got in our backpack because it's sunny.
Totally digging this weather. The sun's out now, it's nice and hot.
It's so hot and we have a pool.
There is a pool at the Backpackers.
Yeah.
It's good.
I can't wait to go for a swim.
It's actually pretty kitted out. They've got a table tennis table, they've got a billiard table, pool with an outdoor area, some nice reclining chairs that you can sit on.
Waterfall, and we're realizing that even though this is like technically the quiet season, and yeah, it can rain every now and then, it just means that everything is super green, super lush, and the waterfalls and the rivers and stuff have so much water in them, so it's actually really beautiful.
Well, this is the bamboo bridge. It's actually surprisingly sturdy. So it's a big bridge network running through some rice fields, and it's made entirely out of bamboo. Not too sure where it goes, but it's quite long. April didn't really want to go, so I'm just checking it out by myself. This bridge is actually very long. It's just keeps going and going and going. It actually leads up to a Buddhist temple. Now let's head back.
This is actually rice, how rice grows. Is it in there? Yeah, no,
It's not quite ready yet.
it's not ready. Oh, this rice. And we're back.
Big day out. We went to the Mor Paeng Waterfall, the Pambok Waterfall, and we saw the bamboo bridge. But there's still some more waterfalls to see, so I think we'll head out tomorrow. It's going to be beautiful weather again.
Yes, more scootering around Pai.
Well, it's been fun having you along with us today.
And if you like traveling with us, subscribe to our channel.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time. So gross.
What happened, April?
I stepped in dog poo and I have dog poo all over my shoe.